In 1980, my father bought a three-bedroom house for the price of a used car today. Today, I work three jobs just to pay rent. The system is broken. We were told, work hard and save money. But the old rules don't work in 2026. If you follow the crowd, you're not building a future. You're just funding someone else's yacht while staying in place. Most people are running a race they can never win. Your savings account isn't a safety net, it's a leak. Inflation is a silent tax that eats your hard-earned money every single day. Most people try to look rich before they are rich. They buy liabilities, cars, clothes, gadgets, thinking it's progress. But they are just trapped in a lifestyle they can't afford. The wealth gap is widening. In 2026, you are either moving up to the top 1% or you are falling behind. There is no middle ground anymore. But there's a secret. While the old world is crumbling, a new generation of digital rich is rising. And they aren't working harder, they're using AI to work smarter. Today, I'm giving you the 2026 wealth formula. Let's break the matrix together. Welcome to the upgrade. To break the cycle, you need to understand one simple truth: the difference between an asset and a liability. Rich people buy assets. Poor people buy liabilities that they think are assets. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket: your car, your subscriptions, even that expensive watch. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket. It's a business, a stock portfolio, or a piece of real estate. These are the engines that build wealth while you sleep. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. You don't need $1 million to start. You need a system. Even $100 invested in the right asset today is a snowball that will become an avalanche of wealth in the future. The most valuable asset you have isn't money, it's time. Every day you wait is a day you're losing interest. Bitcoin is gaining momentum, as you can see. The S&P 500 shows steady, impressive growth, and AI is revolutionizing how we invest. These technologies are shaping our financial future. Diversification is your shield. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Put them in assets that work for you. The biggest mistake is trying to time the market. The pros automate. Set up a system where a part of your income goes straight into your assets before you even see it. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Decide once and let the system do the work. This is how you build a money machine that never sleeps. But here is the truth nobody tells you. The best asset you can own is your own skill set. In 2026, one person using AI can do the work of a whole agency. Investing in your ability to use these tools is the 1000% return. Don't just save for the future. Build a version of yourself that the future can't ignore. The 2026 wealth gap is real, and it's growing. But for those who understand the new rules, it's the greatest opportunity in history. Stop working for money and start building your machine. Hey everyone, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here and turn on notifications with the bell so you never miss an update from me. Join the community and stay tuned for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.